friend, welcome back to my channel TechW3Way. This is Vijay Kumar. Today we will be see an example of screen flow in Salesforce. In this example, we will be create a case and link to the related account. After creation a case, a task will be created automatically through action. Task will be automatically assigned to the owner of the account. After save the flow and activate them, after that, we will be launch this screen flow on the record account page. So let's get start and move on the Salesforce credential. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential. First, you need to search flow in the quick action. Then go to the right hand side top. Click new button, new flow. Click on the screen flow and create. Layout change auto layout to freeform. So first of all, I am creating a record ID variable because I am launching this screen flow from account. So creating a record ID variable, record ID, data type, text, and don't forget to check on available for info because I am passing this record ID outside of the flow. So this record ID will be a stored account ID. After that, go to the element section, screen, drag and drop here. Write the name, case, detail. So I am going to the case object. If you try to create a case, new case, there are some fields are required, status field and case origin. So there are two fields are required if you creating a case. So I will put into two list value in a screen flow. So both are the pick list. So I am searching pick list. First name will be status. Required field because it is a choice. It is a pick list value. So I will create a choice set. Choice set pick list. Status pick list. Object name will be case. Data type pick list. Field name status. Done. Another one pick list value is case origin. Name label name case origin. API name case origin. It is also required. And it is a pick list value. So select an option pick list value come from case object. So I am creating choice pick list. Choice pick list choice set case origin pick list case object name will be case because pick list value coming from case. Data type pick list and field name will be case origin. Then done. So I created two fields and created two choice sets. So choice set is created because this pick list value coming from object of case. Now done. I created a screen flow. Then I am creating record. So create a record. Drag and drop here. Create case record. I'm creating one record. Select use separate resource so that I can select a object name. I am creating case of record, so I am selecting case. Then pick there is a field name and there is a value. So I am selecting a field name. First field name will be status and case origin. Status, passing the value, status, case origin, passing the value, case origin, and there is a account ID account ID. Account ID, it is lookup field between case and account. Path record ID and value will be record ID. So just I create a variable beginning of the tutorial. Then and it I am storing the newly creation case record ID in this variable. So click on the manual assign variable, store case ID in variable. So I'm creating a new variable here. Variable API name case record ID, data type text, and done. So newly created case record ID will be stored in this variable. Then done. So I created a screen, then I created a case. Now, as per requirement, the case will be assigned automatically to the account owner. So I will get the account ID here. So select get record and drag and drop here. Get account SCC ID. Object name account ID equal to record ID. Record ID is a variable of record ID stored in the record ID. So I'm passing the record ID here. Then done. So after creating a case, I get a record ID of account. After get record ID of account, I will create a task. So through action. So I'm selecting action, drag and drop here. After that, I select task. In the left side, there is a task. So select on task and the action. I need to create a new task. So I will select new task. Select new task. Write the level name of task. Create task. API name task. Create task. And here is the assign to ID. So assign to ID. Here will be get account. Then dot owner ID. Get account dot owner ID assigned to task. Assign to the ID, then due date, enable the due date, create a new resource, date, variable, date, assign, data type, date, and put the value day, month, year. So I am putting 20 06 2023. Done. So I am assigning date, then related record ID related to ID. Related record ID, enable the related record ID. I'm passing the account ID here. So record ID, it is a account ID. So passing the variable record ID, rest of the fields are optional, and passing the subject. Create a new resource, variable, API name, subject, task, data type, text, and pass the value. Task under account. Task created under account. then done. So here I am passing the account ID dot owner name, account owner of the account, then passing the date, passing the record ID of account and subject. Rest of the field is optional. Then done. Now I am saving the flow. Write the name of the flow. Create case and task from flow. Create case and task from flow. Then save it. After save, then I am activating this flow. This flow has been activated. Now this flow will be launched on the record of account page. So go to the account. Opening any of the account, I will launch this screen flow on the top right side. Here, edit the page. Now drag and drop here. In the search option, select your created flow. Create case and task from flow. This is my flow name. And don't forget to check this checkbox because I am passing the record ID into the variable. So check mark this record ID, then save. After save this layout, go back. My flow is visible here. As you can see, there is no task and no case in this account. So in this activity, there is a task. Inside the activity, there is no task here, and in this record, there is no case here. So if I creating a case, if you are creating a task from here using the flow, one activity will be created and one case will be created automatically. So now I am selecting working, case origin will be email, and next. As you can see, one task has been created right now and one case has been created automatically. So I am checking the detail. The owner of account is a Vijay Kumar. Go to the related and newly created case. Open the newly created record of case. It will owner name will be assigned automatically. Here go to the detail. Vijay Kumar. Here go back here. Click on the activity task. Vijay Kumar assigned automatically. It is a owner of the account and task owner automatically assigned to the Vijay Kumar and related account is already selected. So friends, try to do from your side in your org. If you getting anything issue, please write in my check my tutorial w3web.net. Thank you.